In this video, we're going to review exponents and order of operations. We're going to start with exponents. This says write 1/4 squared as a product of the same factor and then solve it. So we need to do two things here. The first thing we need to do is write it as a product of the same factor. Whoops. Let's try that again. Product of the same factor. So when we hear the word product, we think multiply, same factor. Multiply the same number. So written as a product of the same factor, it would be 1/4 times 1/4. The second part asks us to solve it. To multiply fractions, we just multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16. So written as a product of the same factor, we wrote it out in expanded form, and then we solved it. If I asked you to write 1/2 cubed as a product of the same factor, you would write 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, and then we would multiply straight across. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Let's review order of operations. We talked this year about GMDOS, and the reason I'm putting the multiplication and division on the same level is because they have the same level of priority, the same level of importance, so we work from left to right. The same can be said for addition and subtraction, the same level of a priority, so we work from left to right when we get to addition and subtraction. So we're going to start with our G, our grouping symbols. So these are parentheses. Do we see any parentheses? Yep, we're going to go ahead and underline the 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. We bring everything that is not underlined down. Any more grouping symbols? Nope. Any exponents? No. Any multiplication or division? We do have multiplication here. 3 times 2, that's 6. And I'm going to bring everything that's not underlined down. Any more multiplication or division? Nope. So we're on to addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction have the same level of priority, so we work from left to right. So 29 minus 6 is 23. And finally, 23 plus 22 is 45.